Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 5th, subject GK. Now, how are you all? Enjoying online classes? I think due to online classes, everyone is studying okay carefully because ma'am is revising the chapters, na? So it is good for you online classes. Okay, fine. So let's start our GK studies. The last three chapters are very interesting, na? What we study in the previous, I think it is about books, amazing words of animals, books, and word wise, right? So, did you enjoy it? Fine. So nowadays very cold is winter season is started. So which season you like? It's summer, winter, or rainy season? I enjoy every season. Okay. So, we will start today the chapter with respect to religion. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is religion? The belief in God or gods and the activities connected with this, just like prayer. Then in Marathi it is called bhajan or kirtans, where the people praise or we can say sing the songs and tells in the bhajans they tells the stories which inspires us and give us information about the religions and their good deeds and the thoughts and how to live a holy life. So many things we can get information, or we can say we can taught there, okay, in that bhajans and kirtans. Okay, so many activities are there. We can say in these activities it is helping poor, helping needy peoples, then do the things just like the old we can say just like Mahabharat, Ramayana or Bible, reading that things and to give the thoughts or we can say good deeds of sons and prophets. It is the activities we can say it is in respect to religion. And in this chapter we get some information about the great people, we can say about the saints, then we can say about the prophets. Okay, so they are really a great person with their great deeds. Okay, so they does not conquer the nation, does not fight with each other, but by their good deeds and their work they inspire us and they make a special space, or we can say special uh, it is the best things they have done in their work, and so that we have to respect them by heart. Okay, so let's start. He received the first revelation from the angel Gabriel on Mount Hira. These revelations were later written down in Quran. So he is Prophet Muhammad. Okay, so can anyone know about it? It is not necessary that you are from the Islamic. The Quran has also very good, or we can say great things are written in the Quran also. It we have to read it. It inspires not only the Islamic, but it is inspire the things or the um, whatever written in the Quran definitely inspired each and every person. Okay, so who is Prophet Muhammad? He was born in Makkah, was an Arab religion, social and political leader, and the founder of Islam. According to Islamic doctrine, he was the prophet's son to preach and confirm the monolithic teaching of Adam's, Abraham's, Moses, and Jesus, and the other prophets. What a novel did done by this Prophet Muhammad. Okay, by heart we can salute him. Then the next, I think most, or I think each and every person in the 20th century known this great lady. She received a message from God while traveling in a train from Kolkata to Darjeeling in 1946. Her order of nuns is called Missionaries of Charity. She is Saint Teresa, and all over the world she is known as Mother Teresa. Mother name uh, definitely tells all things, the name Mother. Okay, the Mother Teresa was the founder of the Order of Missionaries of Charity, a Roman Catholic woman dedicated to helping the poor, considered one of the 20th century's greatest humanities. So previously I told you the all the, we can say, in the 20th century everyone knows this great lady, and we are mostly familiar with her great novel work. So she is Mother Teresa. Third person is well known and great by novel, and we have studied about him in English literature, in I think in the um, history also we study about him. Yes, born Siddhartha, he attained the enlightenment under a peepal tree in Bodh Gaya, and he told people to achieve nirvana or enlightenment by following the uh, eightfold paths. Okay, so he is Gautam Buddha. So he is the prince. He was the prince, but some moments, or we can say he faced some special two or three incidents which changed his complete life, and then he started uh, to pray the gods, and uh, he has meditation under the people tree, and he get enlightenment under this Bodh Gaya. Okay, so when he enlightened with this, he preaches, or we can say told the people how to achieve the nirvana and follow the eight paths. His great deeds and his thoughts are well all known on all over the world, and his followers also teach what the Gautam Buddha says. A very great person who is born in our India, and nowadays also his followers tells us what is the great things he has told and teaches. Okay. Now fourth person. Okay, he received the 10 commands from God on Mount Sinai and led his people out of Egypt to his promised land. He is Moses. Okay, also known as Moshe Rabbeinu, is the most important prophet in Christianity, Islam, Baha'is faith, and number of Abraham's religion. He is a very great prophet, and his work is just I have told you, it is the Christianity of each, that is Islamic, Baha'is, and Christianity or Abraham's religions. Okay, next fifth. I think no one has unknown from this great person. He is not son, he is the God. Okay, he was the eldest son of King Dasharatha and Queen Kaushalya, and had three younger brothers. He